Good morning to all. I am Dr. M. Mariraj, Department of Botany, Sri Kaliseri College, Sivakashi. Today I am going to talk about the Microsoft Excel. This is the Excel is created from the Microsoft company. This is the Excel is application software in computer. This Microsoft Excel we are using the various users from the researchers, scientists, and other banking staffs and finance and other persons, also office from the other banking and finance systems. The Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet developed by the Microsoft for Windows, Macs, Android and iOS. So all the operating systems are developed from the Microsoft. These are very good features for calculation and graphing tools and pivot tools, tables and data calculation. Some macro, macro programming language called Visual Basic Applications. All the data we are using to apply in this Microsoft Excel. Excel forms part of the Microsoft Office suite for the software. Microsoft originally marked on the spreadsheet program called Multiplan in 1982. The Multiplan became very popular on CBM system, but on MS DOS system is last popularly in the Lotus 1.23. The Microsoft released the first version of Excel from the Macintosh on September 13, 1985. The first Windows version was 2.05. This is for the Macintosh versions November 1987. Lotus also showing bring 123 Windows by the early 1990s. Next, importance of MS Excel. We are easy to arithmetic solutions. We are adding the numbers and data and letters, and we are adding the spreadsheets and various forming options in available in the Excels. We are filtering calculations and the final calculation, summative, standard deviation, standard errors, standard summation, the the then availability of online access also available in the updated version of Microsoft Excel. Then cropping system also available in the croppings. We are creating the bar chart, pie chart and calculations, MS Word, line chart, part plots also available. The basic features. Microsoft Excel has basic features. All spreadsheets create the cells arranged on a number of rows and return named columns, organize data manipulation like arithmetic operations, answer statistical engineering, financial needs. Is a very good option to choose spreadsheets of Excel. Display data as a line graphs, histogram charts, allow the user to apply a wide variety of numericals. It also numerical data we are easily to analyze using with Microsoft Excel. Then data calculation, data analysis very good suitable for the Microsoft Excel. It also has a variety of interactive features available in the Microsoft Excel. Next, operation system we are used to calculate the data view, and one is calculations, line chart, bar chart calculations, right? The MC squared, the column name formula, then we are adding the datas and calculation and filtering the final data of result output also. We are used to form the presentation format, a bar chart, pie chart and line chart and other correlation triggers, and all the data is available in the statistical scenes from the Microsoft Excel. Basic terms in Excel, these formulas, the maximum mathematical formulas are available in the Microsoft Excel that operates the values ranges cells A1, A plus S2, 3 points the sum of range values to. Once one column and row we are giving the formula, statistical formula, then we are easily calculating the other formula. Functions are also predominant formula Excels. They eliminate the laborious from mathematical entry formula. We are adding all the data from the Excel sheets. Then finally we click the calculate the sum of. The easily within 1 second we have final sum of table calculated with accuracy. The name of major function is fx sum of tabular forms, and other more function is available in the Excel. And 484 function is in the 2016, and after this upgraded in 360 The Excel periods Excel 2010 484 current functions available in the Microsoft Excels. Overall view Excel offer many user interface tweaks. The earliest electronic spreadsheet Excel become the first spreadsheet to allow the user to define the appearance spreadsheet. It is also introduced intelligent cell recombination when cells depend on the cell bring modified update. Excel introduced many important features. Excel introduced the extensive graphic capabilities. Thank you all.